Hi guys, so today let us make lettuce wrap. So first you get your bread, you get your sliced bread, and you have to make the bread flat, like very flat. So you can get a roller like this or whatever you want to use to press the bread, fine. So you make it flat. After making it flat, you get your other ingredients ready. So we're going to be using cucumber, carrots and the lettuce. So you start by cleaning and cutting your cucumber and carrots. So you're going to clean, cut and dice well. Sorry, slice well. We are slicing this one, we are not dicing it. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you. So yeah, it is good to take vegetables. Vegetables is good for the body. So lettuce is actually very good for the body. So lettuce has beta carotene, if I'm pronouncing that well. Yeah, vitamin A, which is very good for healthy skin, healthy bone, and healthy eyes. Also, lettuce is actually very good for babies. It helps them grow healthy. There are so many vitamins lettuce give to the body, so you can make your research on that. So yeah, this is basically lettuce wrap. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried this before? What do you think about my lettuce wrap here? What do you think about the bread in the middle? Would you have preferred your lettuce wrap this way, or would you have tried another method? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have cheese and you want to use cheese, please feel free. But I don't have cheese, so I will just be making do with what I have. Please let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from so we can send you a big hug or we can make a shout out to you. Please don't forget to leave your name in the comment section. And also let me use this opportunity to apologize for those of you that would find this video quality low or poor. Let me use this opportunity to apologize in advance. No, let me just apologize now. It's not in advance because I'm actually making the video already. So I use this opportunity to apologize. Sorry that the video didn't come out clear enough. Thank you. We'll do better next time. So after getting your cucumber, carrot and other vegetables ready, we would move to the next step. And now the next step, you arrange your lettuce in a clean plate or table. So if your lettuce is big, like wide enough, that's good. But if not, you just manage what you have. Mine is not that wide enough. Like it's not actually what I wanted, but at least I was able to manage it. So you get your lettuce, you arrange your lettuce well on a clean table or clean plate, like I said. And after doing that, you add your bread on top of the lettuce. So now you can spread bama on the bread like I did. I spread bama on my own bread. So you can spread bama on the bread, or if it is maybe butter you want to use, no problem. Or if you just want to eat yours like that also, no problem. But me, I used bama. Then after putting the bama, I just added this pepper spice just to give it small spice at least. So I mixed it with my bama and I spread it round on the bread. So after doing that, you're now going to carefully arrange your carrots and your cucumber on top of the bread. So yeah, this is how you carefully arrange it on top of the bread. So that was why I said we shouldn't dice. So we'll be able to arrange it like this. So yeah, you carefully arrange it on top of the bread, and after that, you move to the next step, which is adding ketchup to it. So you just spread ketchup on top of it, and then you get your bread. That's the other part of your bread that you would use to cover this part. You add ketchup to that bread and you spread the ketchup round the bread before using it to cover. Then we wrap. So yes, this is the ketchup I'm spreading, and if you're a ketchup person, you can actually spread as many ketchup as you want. I'm not really a ketchup person, so I'll be doing just this little. So you also spread on your bread, don't forget, so that you have the ketchup and the bama reaching everywhere. Then after spreading very well, you cover and you're going to wrap. So now if your lettuce is wide enough, and this part will be easy for you, you'll be able to wrap well. If your lettuce is not wide enough, you just have to carefully wrap it like I did, so you don't end up scattering the whole thing. Like I said, it is lettuce wrap. So you just carefully wrap the bread like this. On the norms, we're just supposed to wrap the bread, cut the bread, and start eating. But because of the fact that my own lettuce is not wide enough or is not big enough to do the full wrap, I'll be using foil to assist so that it doesn't scatter. As you can see, because it's not wide enough, it's not looking fine. So I'll just be using this foil as a backup plan. I just use this foil to wrap it well so that it doesn't scatter as I'm eating it. So let me show you the inside, how beautiful the inside looks when I cut it. And you won't even know that the lettuce under was not fully wrapped. It was fully wrapped, sure, but it wasn't looking that fine because the lettuce was not wide or big enough. So yeah, we are done. This is it. Now you can just cut and start eating your lettuce wrap. Let me know if you find this video interesting. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I would seriously love to know. Would you try this? Do you think this is a good idea? What and what do you think, or do you know about lettuce? What and what do you know lettuce gives to the body? And also let me know if you like lettuce or you don't like lettuce. So look at how beautiful this is looking. Sorry about the camera not being clear enough. I didn't know because I was outside actually. So but I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like I said, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also help us turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be the first to see the video, or anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. Guys, this thing came out delicious. Like, I just had the idea in my head that, oh, let me just, because I have lettuce, but the lettuce was actually almost going bad, so I just had to like do this. I said, let me just do this, let me just try it if it will even make sense. And it came out well. Like, it came out well. This is something I would love to try over and over again. So yeah, this is my lettuce wrap. So I ended up cutting it again. I divided it into three. This is the one part I divided into two. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it looks beautiful even without cheese. Thanks for watching, guys. You can check out our other breakfast recipe and cooking videos. Have an amazing day. Bye.